Facebook Reels is right now the most underrated free traffic source for Amazon affiliate marketing, and nobody is using it correctly. I have been doing affiliate marketing for over 6 years, and I have never seen a platform push free organic reach this aggressively before. Last month, I posted 12 short Facebook Reels, no face, no ads, no budget, promoting Amazon products as an affiliate. Those 12 videos got over 2.3 million views campaigned, okay? And they generated over $5,000 in Amazon affiliate commissions. 2.3 million views, over $5,000 in commissions, 12 videos, zero ad spend. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it step by step, so you can copy this method today even if you have never made a single Facebook reel before in your life, okay? Pay close attention because this is the opportunity right now in 2026. I'll show you step by step how we can promote Amazon affiliate links on Facebook Reels, okay? And let's get started. So step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So you need to join Amazon affiliate account. This is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard. This is some right here, and this is my commissions, and this is my bounties. And just this month I have made $17,963. Okay, so probably I'm gonna make this month over $20,000. I'll share with you guys my results, my final results by the end of this month. Anyway, let's get to the video and let me show you how we can promote Amazon affiliate links on Facebook Reels. So step number one, for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, you guys need to create an affiliate account with Amazon. So you need to go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. Click on the first link over here like this, and it's gonna take you to this page. You just need to click on sign up like this, and you will be again to this page, and click on create your Amazon account. And here you go. You guys can see the sign up process is super easy and simple, and anyone can sign up. And you guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. So just put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. You just need to follow a few steps. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up and they will approve your account immediately. Okay, once you finish, you should have an account like this one. Okay, so this will be your Amazon affiliate account dashboard. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good product. You need to choose a profitable product that you will start promoting on Facebook Reels. So you need to find product that solve problems for people. You need to promote product that already are getting sales on Amazon, product that has high demand. Okay, pay close attention. What you will do next, you will go to amazon.com. Go and open your amazon.com website like this and search for, click on the search bar of Amazon and search for skincare. Okay, search for those products, guys, in this category, skincare, because they are very profitable, guys. Okay, they are getting crazy sales on Amazon. And let me show you. So we search for skincare products, and if we scroll down, we can find here a lot of products in this niche. Okay, and you guys can see that those products are getting crazy sales. Look at this one over here. 70,000 people paid for this one, for this one single product in just the past month. Okay, look at this one here. Over 100k people paid for this one in the past month. Okay, this is the kind of product you need to promote if you want to make commission. You cannot keep guessing or just choose the product that you think they can work. This business doesn't work like this. You need to promote products that are already getting sales on Amazon. You need to promote product that has high demand. Okay, like those products I'm showing you right now. Okay, you guys can see like this one, over 100k. Look at this one, also over 100k people paid for this one in the past month. Look at this one, 20,000 people paid for this one in the past month. And you have a lot. Look how many products. If we scroll more down, look at this one. Okay, they are getting crazy sales. This is the product that you need to promote. Okay, so let's pick one as an example. I'm gonna choose like this one. This one is from bestseller, got over 100k people paid for this one in the past month, meaning that over 100k sales just in the past month. This is crazy numbers. Okay, so I will click on this one. Just click on the product that you want to promote, and you will be directly in this product page on Amazon. So what you will do next, you will copy the name of this product like this. So what you need to do next is you need a Facebook reel video that you will use to promote this Amazon product on Facebook. So you will copy the name of this product, pay close attention, and you will go to TikTok, okay? Go to TikTok account and open your TikTok like this, okay? Click on the search like this and put this name of the product that you want to promote and search for this product on TikTok. You will find a lot of videos here about from different creators, TikTok creators, who are sharing their experience about this product. Okay, so you have a lot of videos. You have 1,000 of videos here, guys. You guys can see it's the same products. Okay, for example, it's the same like this one, and we have a lot. This one, we have a lot. Okay, I'm gonna choose one of those videos as an example. Let's choose what this one. This one got, okay, sorry guys. So like this video got a lot of views. Okay, so what you will do next, guys, you will double click on the video and click on download a video, and this video, sorry, and this video will be downloaded into your laptop. So what you will do next, you will go to Facebook, go and open your Facebook page. You need to create a Facebook page. Of course, it's for free and you just need to create it. It's already in your profile. You have an option in your Facebook profile that will let you create a Facebook page. It's super easy. Okay, once you finish, you should have a page like this. Okay, so this will be, as an example, this is your Facebook page. You will scroll down and you will go over here to reel. Okay, you see this, click on reel like this and it's gonna take you to this page, create a reel. Click over here, and what you will do, you will upload the video that you download from TikTok. Okay, this one. Okay, and click on open, and click on open, and here you go, your video will be over here like this. What you will do, you will click on next and click again on next. You can describe your reel. You can go back to Amazon to this, go back to this Amazon product page and copy this title like this, and we can use AI. We can go to ChatGPT as an example, and we can ask him to turn this Amazon product. So just go to ChatGPT and ask him to turn this Amazon product title into Facebook reel description and give credit to this TikTok creator. Put the TikTok creator name that you are using his video. It's very important to mention the TikTok creator in your Facebook reel description. Okay, and put the title of the Amazon product that you are promoting. Just click over here, and ChatGPT, guys, will create a reel description that you can use. Okay, and here you go. You see this? Create it, and here you go. So I will copy this description. I will go back to Facebook and they will put this description here. Okay, it's really good. Okay, so what I will do, I will click on post. Okay, so click on post like this, and this Facebook reel will be posted in your Facebook page. Okay, and here you go, guys, it's posted, as you guys can see. So what we will do next, pay close attention. We will click here on comments. Okay, we will click on comments, and what we will do here is we will go back to this Amazon product page. Okay, and what we will do is we need an affiliate link. So we will click here on get link to get our affiliate link. This is our Amazon affiliate link. Copy, go back to Facebook and put this affiliate link here. So for example, I'm gonna put here get yours here. Okay, and I will put, so people who want this product, they will find my Amazon affiliate link in my comments. Okay, and they will click on comments, and your Amazon affiliate link for this product will be here. Okay, you see this exactly like this. So people who will watch this Facebook reel on Facebook, they will check they will click on comments and they will find your Amazon affiliate link here for this product. Okay, you can even add here in your video, you can add here link in first comment. You can put here, you can write it here in your Facebook reel video, link in the first comments. Okay, to help people find your Amazon affiliate link easy. Okay, that's exactly, guys, how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Facebook Reels. Okay, I shared with you guys everything, and you can get crazy traffic from Facebook, guys. Okay, guys, Facebook, it's getting crazy traffic. Okay, let me show you. You should know, guys, that also Facebook, they have 12 billion monthly visitors. They are getting crazy traffic. Okay, and Facebook Reels, they go viral. Okay, it doesn't matter if you have 0 followers, 1, 5, 10. It doesn't matter. You can create a new page, start posting reels, Facebook Reels, and they can go crazy, they can go viral. Okay, and they can generate a lot of traffic for you for free, so you don't need to pay for ads. Okay, that's exactly, guys, how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Facebook. And also for people who want to take this business seriously and learn more, and how you can promote also Amazon affiliate links on YouTube, also on Pinterest, Quora, Reddit, and so much more, feel free to reach out to me in my email address, and they will send you all the details. I do have an affiliate marketing course with AI. Okay, so I'm teaching you exactly how you can use AI to create faceless videos and faceless content that you guys can post on YouTube, Quora, Reddit, Pinterest, and more, to promote affiliate links for free using free traffic. I show you how you can use AI to create faceless content without showing your face and without using your voice, how you can create so much content in a short time, and so much more. For people who are interested, serious, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description, and they will send you all the details. And see you in the next one.